My name is Tilen Travnik. I'm head of project management at Domenza in Slovenia. We're a company that focuses on developing web applications and mobile applications. My experience with Skutruli so far is excellent. All the modules were very interesting, and although I don't have any complex knowledge yet, I learned many small tips and tricks that I could implement in my company immediately. Other than that, my big expectation out of this education is to get knowledge that would help me with my job of talking to C-level executives of our clients and trying to explain them why our solutions are good for them. If you're looking for an MBA program, I suggest that you select Skutruli because of their excellent professors and staff, and also because the schedule of the study is very family and work-friendly.